The secret to perfect eyebrows is actually following the shape of your eyebrows. Just make sure they are well groomed. And by grooming, I mean make sure there is no excess hairs. That will be easy for you to work with compared to when they are extremely bushy and there is overgrown hair. I just did my edges, that's why I have this scarf on. So make sure you check out my edges video. Yeah, thank you. If you don't have an eyebrow gel or soap, don't worry, you can use the normal bar soap that you have at home. So what you're going to need to do is take your setting spray or water and spray on a spot like that. I just realized I didn't press record and I've already done this other side. I'm sure you can tell the difference. Yeah, see that? So we'll do this other side. So let me just repeat what I said, thinking I was recording but I wasn't. So using your spoolie, just going to get this foam-like thing, and then you're going to go over your eyebrows. So that's what we have after using the soap. They already look identical. So the next step, I like to go in with a powder just to mattify the area very well before I do anything else. So using a sharp pencil, I'm going to fill in. This is Davis eyebrow pencil number 3. We're just going to fill in the area so we feel like there's no hair. So the next steps, I just did the same on this other side, and I'm going to use concealer. This is Elegant Pro Concealer. So I just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Like that. I'm going to use this brush to just pick a little product on both sides to make sure it's smooth enough. And then I'll just go in and conceal, yeah. This concealer is not too bright. I'll go ahead and clean the upper side also. But if the concealer is brighter than your skin, make sure you use your foundation on the upper side. Using a damp beauty blender, I'll go ahead and blend the concealer. And that's it. That's what we have for the eyebrows.